Bitcoin has broken below its uptrend line and lost a key support. The zone between $112K and $113K is now critical. In past cycles, this band acted as both support and resistance, and could decide if we're just seeing a retest or the start of a larger correction. This is not financial advice. Crypto is risky. Always do your own research before investing. Ethereum is showing even more weakness. ETH dropped about 10% in a single day, breaking down from a multi-week triangle. If the current zone fails to hold, the door opens for deeper losses. To make matters worse, inflows into Ethereum ETFs have slowed dramatically. What was once a wave of institutional demand is flattening, leaving ETH more vulnerable on the downside. Analysts like CryptoRover point to a bearish divergence. Bitcoin keeps pushing new highs, but the weekly RSI is falling. Historically, that's been a late cycle signal, often marking the distribution phase before a bull market ends. Still, a final push higher can't be ruled out, similar to 2021. Seasonality is one reason bulls haven't given up yet. September is usually weak, but October-December are historically the strongest months for crypto. A shakeout now could set the stage for one last leg higher. But if $112K breaks decisively, many traders will call the top already in. Altcoins are taking the brunt. Bitcoin dominance is rising while smaller tokens bleed harder. Only when dominance cools can a true alt season begin. That's why some risk-seeking investors are rotating into early projects like Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper. Hyper's pitch: a Bitcoin Layer 2 powered by the Solana virtual machine. Unlike Lightning, which is payment-focused, Bitcoin Hyper aims to build a full DeFi plus NFT plus stablecoin ecosystem on top of BTC. Developers can use Rust, bridges bring BTC into the network, and transactions settle back to the Bitcoin mainnet. The pre-sale has already raised over $17.5 million. Analysts note, if even 1% of Bitcoin's supply moves into the Hyper ecosystem, that could lock in $22 billion. With the project's pre-sale valuation near $272 million, some see massive upside, if execution delivers. The Hyper token will power gas fees, staking, and governance. Bitcoin and Ethereum are flashing warning signs, with $112K as the key level to watch. A bounce could mean one last rally. A breakdown could mean the bullrun top is in. For higher risk bets, Hyper offers exposure to Bitcoin's next potential narrative: programmable utility. For safe multi-chain non-custodial crypto access, download Best Wallet, available now in the App Store and Google Play. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell.